po ako makakakanta sana kasi I do have a hoarse voice and a hoarse face as well. Pero dahil kay Ronald, napakalakas po sa akin ni Ronald, kaya nabaha po kami, yung aking mga materials ay nadala po ng baha. So kanina, dumaan ako sa SM, sa Muslim, nakabili ako ng isang tape. Kanina lang po kami nag-practice. Thank you dun sa ating spinner. So, please, listen to the song, Times of Your Life. Yesterday, you wake up and time has slipped away. Suddenly it's hard to find the memories you left behind. Remember? Do you remember the laughter and the tears in shadow of misty yesteryear? The good times and the bad music and all the others in between. Do you remember the times of your life? It's all for the joy and the sorrow. Move them away in the mind. The memories of time that you borrow. Till tomorrow. Here comes the setting sun. The seasons are passing one by one. So gather moments one day to let the games you bring to play. Remember. Will you remember the times of your life? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ronald to present his precious gift.